Saunders from What's New in Electronics. I'm here on day one of Southern Electronics and Manufacturing, and I've been joined by David Greenman. David, how are you?
I'm well, thank you, Claire. It's great to see you again.
And you, and David, you are an independent conformal coating specialist, who I know has got many, many years experience, and I mean that in the nicest possible way, many decades behind you.
Absolutely, and especially in conformal coatings and the industry for applying and selecting conformal coatings. So I'm now independent and ready to help people out.
And what are you seeing as challenges for the conformal coating sector? You know, what's sort of happening at the moment?
I think one of the main things is the increased packing density of printed circuit boards, leading to narrower conductor spacing, the surface mount sharp edge square components with sharp edges, and of course electronics are becoming more and more into our lives. So the condensation resistance is important, and that's going to lead to potential intermittent faults or potential total failures due to dendritic growth, etc. The other thing is cleaning. Post the 80s, with the introduction of introduction of no clean solder paste and solder flux, that was fine in those days when we had wide conductor spacing, axial components, round components. Now with surface mount, that's an additional problem, and certainly I'm seeing more clients wanting to clean before coating.
Okay.
And that's very important.
Yeah.
There's so many contaminants that can be on that board.
So challenges wise, I mean, obviously everything we're looking at in the industry right now, we're looking at sustainability, we're looking at being as productive as we can, cost saving. So what challenges is that actually bringing and evolving there?
Yes, I think the lifespan of printed circuit boards, this environmentally friendly attitude of keeping them running longer, and that's where a cleaning and conformal coating will help.
Yeah.
And especially with, I believe the EU is bringing in or have brought in regulations relating to lifespan of electronic boards, and again the conformal coatings will help to prolong the life of the board.
Yeah.
Beyond what is happening currently.
Because things are getting more expensive. There's no getting away from it, and obviously margins are being narrowed. So challenges that it brings, obviously with all challenges there's opportunities. So what opportunities is that then going to bring, apart from obviously the benefit, I guess, for sustainability?
Yeah, well, basically less warranty claims, less failures in the field, and the requirements for the future as electronics become more and more involved in our day-to-day lives.
Okay.
And I've got a classic example, an outdoor temperature humidity sensor radio link into an indoor display. That failed after 5 years. Opened it up, and it's just full of dendritic growth.
Right.
No conformal coating, flux is on there, and that was, to me, a classic example of where cleaning and conformal coating would have extended the life.
Yeah.
Now, the concern is, of course, I think manufacturers have got used to rolling over their products quicker.
Yeah.
And that could be a problem.
Yeah, I guess so. But with legislations coming in, with new things being put in place to try and get over that, and hopefully the re-education of the fact that things need to last longer, they need to be more sustainable. We can't keep having this throwaway attitude that things will change. It's an education, and this industry is all about educating.
Absolutely. And when I think back to where I started in radio, TV, and electronics, we had products that would last 20 years, and they would be repaired, and they were repairable. And now you're replacing your phone every 4 or 5 years, your iPads, your computers. I mean, classic example now is Windows 10, no longer supported, and you've got to upgrade to Windows 11, which will only work on certain processors. So, it's an expensive life out there.
It is, unfortunately. But, well, thank you very much for your insights. And obviously, being the specialist that you are, I'm sure that people can find you online to get more information if they need any support and help any further in this
Absolutely.
sector.
Please look up my LinkedIn profile. You'll find my contact details there if you need my support.
Brilliant. Lovely to see you again, David.
And
Thank you so
Claire.
much.
All the
Cheers.
best.